This is one of the main reasons that I trade GU. GU is a very interesting instrument to trade with because sometimes the movements are very massive. So in this video, I'll be showing you what really happened on GBPUSD. Now, looking at this chart right now, you can see I'm currently on the daily time frame. Price just took out daily market structure on daily time frame. So let me quickly show what really happened and what was I expecting yesterday before this movement happened. I will show that as well. So looking at this level here, this market structure here, we can see that level was really holding price very much in the past. I have it here. You can see price respected that level again here. Break and retest happened here before dropping. That make it the third time. Then the fourth time price came back into this level here, and that was throughout the month of March. Now let me show you what I was really expecting. I was expecting a down fall of price from that level there. Once price got to that level, I was really expecting price to fall into this level of 1.27780 here. That was my expectation actually. Price started ranging. I map out this level here to be a very strong level on this H4. That if price should come back to that level, there's high tendency price will react to that level and price will move up again. But if this level is successfully taken out, then I'll be looking further to set into this my level that I was really expecting price to get to initially. Price came back here for the third time, then retested again for the fourth time. As you can see, the first time, the second time here, the third time here, the fourth time here, actually making it the fifth time here at this point. So looking at that level there, I was okay. I think the price is not ready to go seriously bearish. That was when I look at the formation of this candlestick that was formed here after price respected this level here. Then I moved down to my 1 hour to see how I should be going in on that trade. Though I missed out on my first level here. So let me show you what I was really expecting. Since price, this is the candlestick that formed that rejection on that level, and I was expecting price to make it back into my fib retracement level. So if you have been following my videos, I use a 50-61-8 level of Fibonacci retracement. So let me show that this 50% level and 61.8% level is what I use to draw out my golden zone of Fibonacci retracement. So I use this low here and this high here to draw out the fib. That was what I used to do that. Now looking at this from this low to this high, we can clearly see that price falls into my 50-61-8 level, and price created this bullish candlestick here to confirm that movement. That should have been my first entry, but I missed out on this. So after missing out on that, I was okay. I was really pained though. Then okay, let me just calm down and just look at the best way for me to join that movement again, so that I won't be left out. So I noticed there's a market structure line around this level here. There's a market structure line around this level here. That was what I was really expecting price to do. Price broke out that market structure, then we tested, then moved up. So that was my expectation, and price did happen that way. Let me show you the live screenshot on my Notion. Now this was the entry here. As you can see, I was expecting price to take out that market structure. You can see this level, this is a live chart. You can see it's not like probably a replay or something. It's not a replay. This is a live chart. So I went in on this trade here. Then I was really expecting price to, come into this level here because there's a market structure that I was looking at this level as well. So I wasn't really pleased with this movement because I was looking at overall bearish movement, since that was what the daily time frame tells me to do. So I wasn't really focusing on much bullish movement because I have the daily time frame, a daily market structure close by, and I have this H4 market structure as well close by. I was really expecting price to come to this level, either drop from that point or make it back into this daily time frame market structure and fall from that area as well. These were the two things that I was expecting from this bullish movement here. But to my surprise, price came into this level, which was the point at which I closed that trade immediately. Price respected that level because I was really expecting a fall from that level there. I closed the trade there, then I was expecting price to fall, but you can see what the market did. Market just did its own things, then push into this daily market structure, pull back aggressively, There was a news yesterday around I think around 8. I'm not really sure, around 8, 8:30 there, but I'm not really sure about the time. But there was a news yesterday that caused this massive movement here. Then later on, price later broke this daily market structure and continued going bullish as we have it right now. So let me show. So this was the entry here. Yeah, this was when I was expecting price to pull back. Then I have this mindset that price will not pull back more than beyond these two levels. Either price pull back into this market structure here to retest it and bounce off, or price pull back into this demand level and respect it and bounce off. Those were the two things that were in my mind. Okay, as I'm in on this trade, these were the two things that I'm really expecting. And that was what the market did. You can see price retested that level, then bounced off from that level, then got to this level, and I closed my trade immediately. So then I was expecting price to either close below this level or close above this level. That was late yesterday. So I couldn't join the even as at when the market closed above this level, I was not on chat again. I was not with my phone again. That was the end of the day. Then the next day was just a new day for me to look for an opportunity. Then when price opened the next day, I noticed the market has already been pushed into this daily market structure. That is where we have the market, right? And I can see massive push into the market structure and price broke above the market structure. This is one of the reasons why I love trading GBPUSD. The range might be taking too long, but once the market really wants to move, it's going to move massively. It's going to move aggressively. So that is why I love trading GBPUSD. So what I'm really expecting right now is for price to pull back and give me some kind of new trade setup. Then I will join the movement into this supply level that I have up here, and that movement is about I'm looking at the movement about 300 pips into this area here within this whole movement is 1.33440. So that is where I'm really expecting price to be pushed through. So let's see what GP is going to give us for this remaining week. We have an FP coming this week, so we shouldn't sleep on that as well. Market will move massively. So let's see what this is going to give. And that is all for now. Bye.